Hey, so let me show you something cool. So recently we released Easy Video Lab version 1.5 of what was formerly Kinetic Text Animator. And there's a lot of cool features, but one of the main ones is the new ability to work with QuickTime MOV with transparency. Well, Naranjan recently contacted me and he said, hey, I've got this product with a bunch of new animated backgrounds. And I thought, here's an opportunity for me to kind of show off some cool stuff, give you a nice little bonus deal here, and create a kit here that's really versatile. Let me show you how quickly and easily you can customize this. You haven't seen this before, so stick with me. So this is a pretty cool series of features here. Now, one of the kind of main things that we all tend to run into with templates is I want to make it my own. I need to fit what I need as quickly as possible, right? And so what we've really tried to do is make that as quick and easy as possible. So for example, in this kit, I've included a bunch of different characters, all keyworded, so that you can, kind of make it more your own. Let's say I didn't want a male, I wanted a female, and say instead of, that smile, maybe I want a different smile. Maybe I want it to be a bigger smile. So let's go over here to the library, and I'm going to go ahead and select where the kit is. I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's going to be animated video background kit, and I'm going to open that up here, and I'm going to set it to images, and I want to do smile. Okay, so I'm just what I'm looking for is a different version than this. So let's go ahead and do that, and you can see that I have all these different versions of these characters here with different smiles. So we have the kind of a more plain smile or simple smile, and then more of a bigger smile. And let's say instead of the male, I want the female instead. So let's go ahead and swap her in there. And just like that, I've got it in there, and the animation is still it's the same animation, but with a different character. And that's something new that we built into Easy Video Lab version 1.5, formerly Kinetic Text Animator. And we've actually tried to build that, we've tried to build that into as much of the app as possible. So another example would be, here's the new QuickTime MOV. This is QuickTime MOVs basically are converted to PNG sequences when they're imported, so that you don't have to worry about whether or not you have the QuickTime plugin installed, especially for Windows users. And what I can do is, let's say that I don't want this icon. Maybe I want a Facebook icon or a like icon or something like that. So I'm going to swap over here. I'm going to move my playback head over here. I'm going to delete that block, and I'm basically going to add another one so that I can add in the new image, the MOV overlay. Now I can browse for it here, but I want to do a keyword search just like I showed you before. So let's go ahead and delete that there. I'm going to do a video search this time because QuickTime MOVs are video. And let's do like. So I'm going to do like, I want to do, maybe getting likes. I happen to know that. I reviewed the keywords. Of course, I keyworded them. But you can see here that they're all keyworded, so you can find stuff like that. And we have a new preview system. Now, we have a current little bug. I'll go ahead and sneak this in to let you know that the MOVs, they're supposed to have a little play button here and something. So we're going to have to get an update out pretty soon here, as soon as possible. But you can still see what is in the content. And so I'm going to go ahead and add the MOV overlay, and just like that, it is going to take a little while to convert. That is something that, again, we convert to the PNG sequence. And I can move that over and kind of drag this out to kind of fit that better. And there you go. I've got that animation in there just like that. Now we can add of course I can edit the text to make it my own as well. Of course, that no one has that actual phone number there, or you can, change it to a different animation if you want. But here's another thing. If let's say the background doesn't quite fit what you want. This kind of looks like an office scene, like a bunch of cubicles. And let's say that you really kind of want more of just like a single office scene. So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to delete this also. I clicked on the two of them. So let's delete that. Now, the way we work is it's going to isolate everything now so that I can just work on the video. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and delete the block. And once again, add a new block so that I can get that animation in here. Let's do that video. Oh, that's right. I don't have to do that because for video, I don't have to add a block. So let's come back over here to our searching. And once again, I'm going to do a video search, but this time I'm going to do office. Most of the animations of animated backgrounds are office scenes, so I know that. So here we are with a bunch of the different office scenes, and let's say that I like this one. It's more of a single person office rather than cubicles, and I'm going to add that in. And then I have my animation almost ready to go. You see here that they're all 30 seconds long, but you can quickly trim that. Just bring it down here. And just like that, with a few keyword searches, I've made this more my own. Of course, like I said, I can change the text also to make it my own and then export it out and we're good to go. So this is a ton easier than, templates that we've seen in just about any program out there. We really just wanted to make this kind of thing quicker and easier. And this sort of thing is the sort of thing you'll see from us in Easy Video Templates as we come. In fact, we'll have a new one coming out very soon called Easy Video Templates Cartoon Kit. But for now, this is a really affordable kit. It's it's 48 different characters. Let me go ahead and show you the assets real quick. So here we are inside of, this is what's coming in the bonus. This is ready to go, nothing to wait for. And you can see here that I've got all these different characters. I have male, female, dark skin, and light skin with a bunch of different expressions. I think 5 or 6 different expressions, all keyworded so you can find them quickly and easily in 2 different poses as well. And so very versatile and very quick and easy to work with because you can do the swap like I showed you. These are the animations that are included. These are from Naranjan and his team, and I've keyworded them both, the MP4 and the statics. And let's come back here. You can see there's 4 different templates. I've got 2 different kind of text-based ones and then some bit for the animated icons. And we got some text labels. I've got static and animated for you. So there's a bunch of also keyworded. So there's some static ones and there's some animated ones for you. There's only a few, but they're pretty useful in a bunch of different cases. And then I've actually got these circular elements to put the icons on top of, because some of the animated icons really kind of needed kind of a platform to go on, as I showed you in that sample that we were just looking at. And so you've got 25 different MOV, general animated, which I just pulled from. I've actually added in 9 more animated icons, and then you've got some home and kitchen as well. And all together, you've got just a ton of different combinations, all a keyword search away in this cool bonus kit that I've put together with Naranjan's background. So thanks a lot for checking this out. I hope you have a lot of fun with this, and you can grab this kit as a bonus only through me, and you'll get all the assets that Naranjan has plus the bonus kits that I just showed you. So thanks a lot for checking this out.